Well, hello. It's time to take a look at my outdoor worm bin and see how it's doing. Just take a peek in there. It's wet. It's got moisture. Got my worms. Some worms in there. Haven't added any more worms to this bin, so I'm liking the results. What I'm going to do is give them some watermelon and eggshells to eat, and they're going to be happy with that. So that's my goal. Let me go ahead and get my goodies to feed these worms, and I'll be right back with you. Well, like I said, I'm going to give them some watermelon, which they're going to really enjoy eating because they love watermelon, bananas, things like that. So it's be enough food for them to last for a while. Throw some eggshells in there for them. Now I'm just going to cover it up and let them go ahead and reproduce. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the box below. You guys have a great day. Bye.